Welcome back to my architectural YouTube video tutorial series. At the end of this video, you should know how to add a roof to a floor plan. So roof here is very simple. This can be done again one of two ways, but I'm gonna choose the easiest method. So to add a roof to this, I simply click on the roof slab drop down. I then click onto the roof and it will bring up this dialog box. Here, from here, I can set the rafter, the thickness for my rafter. In this case, I want my rafter to be 150 millimeters, and I want edge to be plumb. The plumb edge is basically vertical or parallel to the wall. Overhang, I want my overhang to be 450 millimeters. And my plate height, this is the distance from the finished floor to the top of the wall. I want this to be 3 9s 27. I could add another 50 or 80 millimeters for a wall plate, but for now I let it stay at this level. So let this be 3 9 27, and my slope, the roof slope or the pitch for the roof, let this be 30 degrees for now. So the things that we change are one, the rafter, the thickness, the edge cut, the overhang, and the plate height. These automatically falls in place. Once we have done that, click enter for those and then go over the wall and click on the outside. So I left click there, go across all the outside end, click there, zoom into this, ensure that we click on the outside edges, click there, click on this outside one, and click on this one. Then we must click enter key. And what we have there is our roof outline. Yeah. So now that we have generated this, what I want to do is to place this onto a layer, onto my specific layer. All right. So for that, I'm going to create a layer for roof. So I type LA, enter to bring up the layer properties. And I then here to add a new layer. This new layer I will label roof, ROOF, outline, roof outline. No. Let's change this color to all right, let's change this color to this one. And I want a broken line for this. So I click on continuous. And I then click load. Click on load. And I'm going up to dashed by 2. Dashed X2, this one here. This is one that I want. So I click that, then OK. I then come here, click dash X2, then click OK. Line width thickness of 0.25, I will let it stay at that for now. I then let this layer be active, click 2 times there, then close this off. Now I'm gonna click onto this and I'm gonna right click on properties. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna choose my roof layer. this one here. And there we have it. This has been changed to the one that I created. You will notice that the broken lines are not very pronounced. Yeah. So to do that, to change that, what I'll need to do is to click onto this and then use a command called line type scale. So type LES and change to use here, because what I realized is that the different computer for some reason tend to use different value for the line type spacing. So let's go LTS line type scale. Let's use 15, 15015 enter, and 15 seems good. If you want yours to space a little bit more, you might want to use 20. All right, so let's go again. LTS enter, 20 enter, and this might be good. I think this is good. This is relatively pronounced. Yeah, so that is basically our roof outline. All right, so again, to generate a roof outline, we must set the overhang. So let's just recap this a little bit. So you go here to, you click on the slab, roof slab drop down, click on roof. Yeah. Extend the property here. So we must set our rafter thickness. We must change our, well, we can change this to plumb. The overhang is relative to what you want it to be. It can be 450, it can be 300, it can be 600. The plate height, again, this is the distance from the finished floor to the top of the wall. Your slope is the angle at which the roof tilt, yeah, or slope. And to see this in 3D, let's come out of this and on this. Let's go to conceptual. And this is it. Right click 3D orbit and look at this. That's basically that. Yeah. That is our roof. All right. So we go to come out of that, I go to home, left click home first, then top view. Then go back to our conceptual. Sorry, back to our 2D wireframe. And that's pretty much how we generate a roof in AutoCAD architecture. In my next video, I will be showing you how to generate a roof which has slab and timber. So look out for that video.